Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to fix your shoes. My shoes, the toe tip and outsole get split up, so it need to glue. Before gluing it, you should remove the dust. You can use your old toothbrush to remove the dust. I am going to use this glue. It is the best glue you can use for to glue your shoes. After you glue your shoes with this glue, it never gets split again. I am sorry my glue getting old. It became too hard to take it out from the tube, but this is what do I have for now. I believe it can glue my shoes. Anyway, we will see. If you want to try it, you can find it at hardware store, or you can check in the internet where can you buy it. It's named shoe glue. After you finish out the glue, you should add anything inside your shoes, like some papers or plastic bag. Tape your shoes with 3 or 4 pieces of tape. After you add the tape, leave it to dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, I am going to take the tape out. That is very great. I still have other part need to glue. First part, it looks nice. Now I have to glue this part. This part too. After I finish glue everything, I left my shoes other 24 hours. Now I am going to take the tape out. Looks nice and clean. Strong too. Shoe glue, it's a very good glue. I hope you can use it for to fix your shoes. Thank you for watching.